Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This was 2 weeks ago before we used our overnight rice water, and we are very shocked with the results. Please stay tuned till the end of this video to see the full results. As you can see, it's night time and I'm going to portion out my rice into a plastic jar to ferment overnight. So I wanted to let you guys know any type of rice can be used and any portion of rice is still effective. I just happened to pick this rice because it's parboiled and it requires little to no rinsing before making it into rice water. So if you use regular rice water, please do rinse away any chemicals or pests before making it into rice water. I then proceeded to pour the water into the jar, just like the rice. There's no set measurements for the water. Any amount of water does the job. As rice water is known to have an unpleasant smell, you can then proceed to add any essential oils of your choice. Ours is tea tree oil. Most people opt for essential oils or orange peels to give rice water a more pleasant fragrance. So now that we have our rice water, we're going to store it to ferment overnight. So as it's the next day, our rice water has been transferred into spray bottles and it's ready to use. It's So here we are currently taking out our protective hairstyles and proceeding to detangle our hair using rose water. Rose water is a perfect detangling agent and it actually smells amazing.
No, original. Just say no. Just say yeah. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No. Just say yeah. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No. Just say yeah. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Bad man, turn up the vibe.
So once that's done, we proceed to section out our hair in two and we start spraying it with rice water. The goal is to completely saturate our hair with the rice water whilst massaging it into our hair and scalp. Rice water has so many amazing benefits that promote hair growth, so we really want to ensure it works effectively on our hair and scalp. Jessica and I have tried using rice water for a short period now, and we have actually experienced great and insanely fast results within a short period of time. However, like any good thing, it's best used in moderation. One thing a lot of people don't know about rice water is that it contains protein, and too much of protein can be damaging on the hair, so it's best to use rice water once a month.
No. Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See, the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No.
Bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want.
Now we're wrapping our damp hair in a shower cap and a thick bonnet to trap heat. So we're going to leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes before we proceed to shampoo and condition our hair as we would usually do on any other wash day.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Bad man, turn up the vibe.
So if you guys are not subscribed, please click the red button to join the family. It will really help the growth of our channel.
Let me know if you
Just say
got
no.
Bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
original bad.
So guys, this is the verdict. This is 2 weeks into the future and our hair has been air dried and brushed out, and this is the result. What we found shocking was just the vast amount of growth. We had growth in our length and growth out of our scalp, and it must have been at least 2 inches of hair growth. Overall, we experienced stronger and thicker hair with little to no shedding. Rice water is definitely here to stay in our routine. Please comment down below if you tried rice water and what your experience was like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps this video reach more people. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Bye guys.